Hello and welcome to Stafford Land Rover. My name's Charlotte and today I'm going to show you around this lovely Range Rover Velar D200 edition in Santorini Black. This car's previously had one owner. It's next due for a service in March 2023 and has done 20,050 miles. As it's part of our approved use, you get a minimum 12 months warranty and minimum 12 months 24/7 roadside assistance. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. So I'm going to give you a 360 tour around the vehicle and then I'll get inside and show you all the technology that it has to offer. So you have matrix LED headlights with signature daytime running lights, giving the car a modern exterior. 20-inch 7 split spoke gloss black alloys going into the back of the vehicle. You have enough space there for 3 passengers, including ISOFIX brackets, which is ideal for families, and a centre armrest for maximum comfort. You also have a powered tailgate, which is ideal if you do have your hands full. As you can see, you've got plenty of space there for personal items such as golf clubs and pushchairs, and you can also put the seats down if you do need more room. Continuing around the car, you have an panoramic black plaque, black roof rails, privacy glass and keyless entry. Going into the driver's side, you have aerodynamic tread plates, electrically adjustable front seats, a leather steering wheel, shadow aluminium trim finisher, perforated leather seats and a sliding panoramic roof, allowing a lot more light into the car and really brightening up your interior. So that is the end of your 360 tour. I'm now going to get inside and show you all the technology. On your right you have memory seats, perfect if there's several people driving the vehicle, along with a Meridian sound system for better quality sound. Blind spot assist, making motorway driving safer and easier. Controls on your wheel, including a speed limiter, lane departure warning and cruise control, which is ideal for long journeys. A heated steering wheel, definitely a must on a cold winter morning. Bluetooth, allowing you to make calls whilst on the go, and voice control. You have an interactive drive display where you have a head-up display, enabling you to keep your eyes on the road. You can also view your vehicle, media, trip, and view and change your display, for example if you want the full map in front of you. In the middle you have a touchscreen with sat-nav and DAB radio, along with other functions including Apple CarPlay, along with a 3D surround camera, making parking and reversing so much easier, especially if you're not used to the size of the car. You also have valet mode, enabling you to lock the screen so that a valet can only access your climate control, keeping things like your address safer. Down on this screen you have various different driving modes depending on the weather or where you're driving the car, making it suitable for all conditions, along with heated front seats, which are a luxury in winter. Stepping back outside the vehicle, thank you for watching this video on this stunning Range Rover Velar D200 edition in Santorini Black, which is part of our approved used. We offer many different finance packages, so if you would like a personalised quote or to book a test drive, please just call 01785 899 446. Thank you.